Salad dressing really acts as the glue to bind everything together and flavors the salad throughout. In this video, we're going to be sharing a very simple and easy formula for making your own salad dressing at home. Once you know this formula, it will be life-changing because you can now whip up a salad dressing at any time for almost any kind of salad that you want, and you can adjust it to your own personal taste preferences, which you can't always do with a store-bought salad dressing. So let's get into it. From green goddess to balsamic vinaigrette, all salad dressings follow the same basic formula, which is 3 parts fat, 1 part acid, a small amount of emulsifier, and seasonings to taste. So you're probably thinking, well, that's great, but what exactly is a fat and an acid and an emulsifier, and what kind of seasonings can I use in my salad dressing? So we're gonna break each of these down and talk a little bit about some examples and how they work together. So let's talk about the fats. Some examples of fats that are used in salad dressings include extra virgin olive oil, sesame oil, avocado oil, avocados, fresh cheeses, tahini, cashews, olives. All of these can be wonderful fats in your salad dressing. As for the acids, some examples include vinegar, balsamic vinegar, red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar, so on, as well as citruses. So lime juice, lemon juice, orange juice, all of those work really well to brighten the flavor of the salad dressing and also balance out the flavors from the fat. Now, the emulsifiers. This is one key ingredient that I think a lot of people leave out when they're making a salad dressing. It might sound like a fancy scientific term, but really all that it's doing is helping the fat and the acid combine together. Emulsifiers also help to thicken your salad dressing, giving it a little bit more body and texture. Examples of emulsifiers include honey, miso, mayo, mustard, tomato paste, avocado, and even egg yolks. Some of these may also double up as fats in your salad dressing as well. Lastly, we have the seasonings. Examples include salt, pepper, spices, herbs, and even zest. Seasonings really are up to your personal taste and preference, so you can add as little or as much as you would like. We recommend that you add a small amount to start, taste your salad dressing, and then adjust as you go. Let's put this formula to practice with 3 basic salad dressing recipes. First up is our classic balsamic vinaigrette. For our fat, we're going to be using 1 cup of Zucchi's garlic extra virgin olive oil. As an acid, we'll use 1/3 of a cup of balsamic vinegar. And as an emulsifier, we're going to be using 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard and 1 tablespoon of honey. For our seasonings, we'll use 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and then we can also add some Italian seasonings to the mix to taste. This is a fantastic all-purpose salad dressing that you can really use for almost any occasion. Next is our chili lime salad dressing. As our fat, we're going to be using 1/3 of a cup of Zucchi's chili pepper extra virgin olive oil. As an acid, we'll use 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar plus a little bit of lime juice. We'll also use a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of soy sauce, which will act as our emulsifiers. And then as our seasonings, we're going to use about a clove of garlic minced, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a little bit of lime zest. This is a great salad dressing to use on more of an Asian-inspired salad. It has a little bit of a kick to it and a nice bright flavor from the lime juice. And lastly, we have our pesto vinaigrette. As a fat, we'll use about 1/2 cup of Zucchi's pesto extra virgin olive oil, and as our acid, we'll use 5 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. For our emulsifier, we'll use 1/2 cup of finely grated Parmesan cheese, and as our seasonings, we're going to use 1.5 cups of fresh basil leaves, plus 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. This is a fantastic salad dressing to put on something like a caprese salad or even a panzanella salad. So there you have it. Making salad dressing is as simple as just a few steps. We can't wait to see what you all are making at home for your salad dressings. Please leave a comment or question below, and be sure to like and subscribe Zucchi USA for more extra virgin olive oil videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Ciao.